Hi everybody, Math Tutor TJ here. Today we are going to evaluate the indefinite integral of t to the fourth times the cubed root of 3 minus 5t to the fifth dt. And we're going to use substitution to handle this, to evaluate this indefinite integral. The biggest challenge or the initial challenge of using use substitution is to identify what you will use as u. The general rule of speaking, or what I generally use, is the most nested function, the one that's the most difficult to get to. It's either going to be in a parenthesis that's raised to a power, or it's going to be in the denominator, or it's going to be inside of a radical. There's going to be something else happening to it, and it's going to be an entire function that something's happening to. So in this case, make sure I have a working pen. This sometimes, yeah, okay, there we go. So in this case, u is going to be 3 minus 5t to the fifth. Our next step is to find du, which is the derivative of u. Negative 25 t to the fourth dt. Next, I want to solve for dt. dt equals negative du over 25 t to the fourth. Again, these simple algebra, I identified u, then I found the derivative of u, and then I solved for dt, regular algebra. I'm going to use all this wonderful hard work to now rewrite my integral. I want to take a minute before I start rewriting. I want to take a moment to really look at what dt is. dt, as we know, it is negative du over 25t to the fourth. That is in fact negative 1 over 25 times 1 over t to the fourth du. It's important because when I rewrite this, I am going to pull this constant out. So at this point, I have t to the fourth times, I'm going to rewrite this expression in terms of u. I have u to the 1/3. Please keep in mind that 1/3 and the cube root are equivalent, times dt. Well, I know dt to be negative du over 25 t to the fourth. Okay? Let's simplify this a little bit more. I know what this is, so I can pull that constant out. Negative 1 over 25 t to the fourth times u to the 1/3 du over t to the fourth. These t to the fourths can go. That leaves me with a negative 1 over 25 u to the 1/3 du. All right? Now we can use our general rules of integration. We have negative 1 over 25. Excuse me, I don't even need that much anymore. Let's try that again. We have negative 1 over 25 times what the integral of this is. U to the 4/3 power over 4/3. Let's simplify that. We have negative 1 over 25 times 3 u 4 to the 4/3, u to the 4/3 over 4. Let's keep going. I am now going to, I think I'll do my multiplication. So let's multiply straight across. We have negative 3 u to the 4/3 25 times 4 is 100. Now I can replace u with u, or put the original expression, the original function, back in for u. Equals -3, 3 minus 5t to the fifth. Remember, that's what u was. All of this is to the 4/3 power over 100. And since this is the indefinite integral, do not forget your plus c. And we are done. Hope this video was helpful.